All right, we're gonna do an overview on Tyler's car, what all parts he's gonna put into it. Hey Brad, what take are we on?
Take 69.
Okay, Tyler, what do we got going on today, buddy?
Today we gotta get this old turbo out and the exhaust. We gotta pull this front bumper off so we can put a bigger intercooler on it. And then I got some new brake calipers to replace these old ugly ones, nice pretty red ones.
Nice. So we're gonna be doing a turbo. We're gonna be doing an intercooler, tearing the front bumper off. We'll be doing some front brakes with some drilled rotors. And then we have to get this tuned. So how much horsepower are we supposed to get out of this, Tyler?
Supposedly supposed to get up to 150.
150 horsepower. We'll see what happens. What are you doing, T-Dog? So we're just gonna put the intercooler down inside of there. What do you have to change on this thing? You have to change
change out the crash bar with the European crash. Because there's more room behind a European one, so.
So we're pulling the whole front end off here then.
No, just the crash bar.
So we gotta pull this plastic off, get to the crash bar. All right, we'll let him get to work and then we'll see what happens. We do have the front bumper off here. It's gonna get one of them European, whatever this is here.
We're gonna replace this crash bar with the European one because the European one, there's more room behind this channel right here, so you can fit it up in there, and you can drill a couple things out over here and run the pipe up and through.
All right, nice.
These American ones are too thick.
Nice, so this is how the Europeans did it, I guess. Maybe they know more about turbos. We got Tyler with the crash bars.
You can see the difference here. There's not this mesh right here, so there's plenty of room for like the pipe to go through, and then it bends out more, so you have room for it to sit behind here.
Well, for the intercooler to sit behind it, yeah. Nice. So you could have just cut the other one out?
No, because this one bends out. So
oh, okay.
Right here between the other one.
Nice. That'll go on the front of it. And the intercooler will go right here in this hole here.
Yeah.
All right, let's get the intercooler on. All right, Tyler, where are we at with this build you got going on here?
We just got the intercooler placed on the front bumper. Tightened a couple of these clamps up and then mounts it on the front.
All right.
What are you doing there?
Pulling the exhaust off.
Woo-hoo.
After 2 long days, Tyler's got the intercooler piping about done. Got his intake hooked up. His evacuation system for taking the pressure out of the bottom end. What are you doing here, Mandy?
We're gonna start the car after Tyler just changed his turbo out. Added new exhaust.
Start up, Tyler. Did it.
Everything's good. Oh, she's the rolling full. Oh!
All right, well, T-Dog's putting some new performance brakes and rotors on his car. Looks like he's got a little more painting to do. Here's what we got for calipers. He's got the rotors on the back. Tyler's moving along over here with his brakes, getting a little bit of painting done. Caden's over here supervising.
I'm holding.
He's the caliper holder. Oh, they're pretty fancy, Tyler.
Yeah.
Here we are on Tyler's car. We got a guest mechanic, Caden, with us today. Just wrenching away.
Take the truck.
How do you feel about working him so hard, Tyler?
Feels good. Don't have to do all the work now.
Okay. Yeah, he missed out on a bunch yesterday, so I guess he owes you a little.
Yeah.
Come over here and look at the finished product. Looks pretty good. Looks like Tyler will be able to stop all this horsepower he's got now. All right, Tyler's bleeding his brakes. Got all the new brakes on, calipers, rotors. Oh, there's a picture of the intercooler. A little shop cleaning going on. Yay, my My favorite. Caden's been working hard here on the brakes on Tyler's car.
Right.
There's our main mechanic, Caden.
Uncertified Volkswagen.
Yeah, uncertified Volkswagen mechanic. Did the front and back brakes. Front end's all back together. Sort of see the intercooler in there. Pretty nice kit.
First stop of the night. Feels a little wobbly.